truck for a bed. The old boat truck. Guy came over with a four-wheel Blazer frame with a boat on top of it. Maybe he just takes it fishing now. So Loberg at the line.
Adam, what has Scott like you in the Bahamas?
Nothing.
Pretty rude, isn't it? You would have got him a gift.
Probably not.
Adam, you want to go to the Bahamas? Will you get on the ship?
Uh-oh.
Front drive shaft.
That's a record, but it ain't one you'd like to have. He's just recorded the shortest run of the day.